Hi everyone, Angela Bliss here with Angela Bliss Art. I hope you're well. I'm going to do something different today. I'm doing a kind of like a resin trinket. I'm going to use some wine bottle corks that I got from Amazon. I think it was like 50 or 100 of them from all over the world. I steamed them on my stove and then cut them with a knife. Be very careful if you do that to not cut your finger off. I didn't, but be careful. Next time I will do it a different way, but that worked. So I've been having this sitting here for a couple of weeks and I've been doing ornaments. So my other workspace in my studio is full of ornaments. So I moved you to my big table here. And I have mixed KS resin 1 part to 1 part, and I have tons of bubbles because I didn't warm my resin up enough before I mixed it, so hopefully we'll get all the bubbles out. And I used 4 ounces of hardener, 4 ounces of resin, and we're gonna see how much we get. This is the first layer. I saw this on TikTok or a reel, and I thought, wow, that's pretty cool. So I wanted to try it. So I'm going to bring it to you guys so that you can check it out too. Maybe you'll be inspired to do it as well. So I'm going to just get into it. I think I'm ready to go. I don't know how much of this I need. So it's going to be a double layer. We're going to put this clear down, and then we're going to lay some gold leaf and some corks in the bottom. And then we're going to kind of let it set for about a few hours, and then I'll come back and we're going to mix some charcoal black May Spring pigment, and I think I may add in a little of the Whitehaven this little piggy pigment. I'm not sure yet, but let's just get started. Hope you guys are well, and I hope you've been enjoying what I have been bringing to you guys lately. And if there's something else that you want to see, I do all kinds of stuff, so let me know in the comments. All right, I think we're good to go. I've got my heat gun here so that we can get the little bubbles out. I haven't tried this yet, so it's gonna give it a go. And I hope you can see what I'm doing. I think that's gonna be enough, actually. Yeah, so I was about right. About 8 ounces for this size mold for the first part. I think we're gonna be good. And this table is really level, so I'm not gonna really have to worry about that. Let's get these bubbles out of here. Heat it up a little bit. All right, we're just gonna try that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take these little corks that I have, and they all have different sayings, and I'm going to place them upside down because we're going to flip this out and turn it upside down the other side. You'll have like little pieces of cork, so make sure that they're cleaned off, I think. And then we're just going to lay them in. I think I'm going to let it set up for a couple of hours and come back and then put them in, because I think they're going to be like too far down if I don't. So let's just do that. Okay guys, I'm back. It's been about 15 minutes. We're gonna try this again. I think I might have little bubbles around the edges, so I don't know. I have to sand it once it's out, and that works. All right, so I'm just gonna put these in here. I got it really hot, so it's setting up pretty quick. It's gonna be so cool, hopefully. Like that. And now we're gonna take our gold leaf. Got some pieces of it over here. Just gonna lay it in. Kind of winging it, guys, kind of winging it. We're gonna let this set for about an hour or two. Then I'm gonna come back and we'll do the black over it and then let it cure. hopefully it will be all right. I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. It's a couple hours later, and I grabbed some old resin that I had. The hardener has yellowed, but it's okay. I'm gonna put some mica pigment in it so it will not hurt what I'm doing here. I'm gonna take some charcoal black Mayspring pigment, and we're gonna add this to the resin. See if that's enough. It's really pretty. I'm gonna add a little bit of the Whitehaven to it as well. This little piggy. Just because I want to. I don't know if it's gonna do anything, but let's see. That's pretty. We're just gonna chunk this in the top. Oh, that's pretty. Here we go. Hopefully we have enough. I mixed about twice what I had mixed before. I think it's gonna be perfect to cover it. Yep. All right. So now let's get the bubbles out of it. A little bit there left. Maybe that's not too high.
People knew her by her will, to make it whatever she put her mind to. Late night hours up the hill, serving coffee to strangers, talking about revenue. She kept dreaming.
Okay. That is it. Maybe. Let's get the bubbles out.
She kept dreaming of the day butterflies survived the wheel, even though she got knocked down and never showed. Dear Lily, where'd you go? Where's your heart at? Why'd you fall?
And I will continue to torch the bubbles till they're not coming up anymore, and hopefully show you guys the finished results soon. So stay tuned. Okay guys, here it is. Has little bubbles around the edges. For my first try, it's not bad. I'm going to keep it for myself, but I just wanted to show you. It's pretty cool. I think I may get some different resin, or maybe warm my resin up next time, but it's super pretty. Really cool effect. A little bit of bubbles in it, but I love the outcome. So thank you guys for being with me and going on this little resin journey with me, and I will see you guys soon.